Do you want to enable ping on your TP-Link Archer CAT router? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: enable ping on a TP-Link Archer CAT router. Enabling ping responses on your TP-Link Archer CAT router is beneficial for several reasons. It helps diagnose network issues by checking connectivity and latency, monitors network health by providing feedback on connection quality, ensures the router is online and reachable for remote management, and supports security checks to confirm devices are functioning properly. These features make ping a valuable tool for maintaining and troubleshooting your network. Now here is how to enable ping on a TP-Link Archer CAT router. Open a web browser and type the router's IP address, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 into the address bar. Log in with your admin username and password. From the top menu, navigate to the Advanced section. In the left-hand menu, select Security. Under the Security section, choose Firewall. Toggle the option for Respond to Pings from WAN to enable it. Make sure to save or apply the changes to ensure the settings are updated. Now this should enable ping responses from the WAN on your TP-Link Archer CAT router. And there you have it, the way to enable ping on your TP-Link Archer CAT router. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method has solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.